In this question, a profit and loss account of a particular company is given and we have to calculate the funds from operation. So it's very easy for us to identify various non-fund or non-operating expenses and non-fund and non-operating income because it's profit and loss account. So the non-fund or non-operating expenses includes the depreciation, preliminary expenses and loss on sale of land. And non-fund or non-operating income includes interest. So here the company is having net loss. So while preparing funds from operation statement, we have to show it as a negative value. Now let us prepare the funds from operation statement. First we will give the table heading funds from operation statement. So in this question we will find the funds from operation through the statement method. So there should be three columns. First column is particulars column, second and third column will be the amount column. The first item that we record in funds from operation statement is net profit. But here the company is having net loss. So we will mark it as net loss and the value will be written as negative, that is minus 5,000. Next we will add all non-fund and non-operating expenses. The first item is depreciation. The value is 1000. Next preliminary expenses. The value is 2000. Next loss on sale of land. Loss on sale of land. The value is 5000. Now we will total it. The total value of non-fund or non-operating expense is 8000. This value is added to the net loss. So it will be minus 5000 plus 8000. So we will get 3000. Now we have to less all non-fund or non-operating income. So there is only one non-fund or non-operating income, that is interest. The value is 4000. So when we less the non-fund or non-operating income from the above value, we will get a negative figure, that is 3000 minus 4000. So it will be minus 1000. So here the company is not getting any fund from operation. So it is actually fund lost in operation. So we will mark it as fund lost in operation.